you are a Dubai tourist and want to experience the real and authentic Dubai, then these are the 5 places you should visit in Old Dubai. Walk along the Dubai Creek and explore the old house of royal family and Bur Dubai Grand Souk, and experience the historical waterway that runs through the city of Dubai. Explore the narrow alleyways and the historical buildings of Al Fahidi neighborhood, also known as Bastakia. Check out the traditional architecture, wind towers, small art galleries, and the regional cuisine. Explore the Al Seef neighborhood, which is split into two, the modern side and the old Dubai. It is packed with restaurants and shops in traditional house replicas and is a great place to take a stroll. Head to one of the oldest markets in Bur Dubai, that is Meena Bazaar, where you can shop for quality textiles, traditional clothing, electronics, gold jewelries, and indulge in Arabic and Indian restaurants where you can try falafel, shawarma, Indian chaat, and snacks. And while you're in Bur Dubai, take an Abra to Dera and enjoy the creek views and check out Dera's spice, perfume, and gold souk.